Okay, now in this question, we're going to be looking for the midpoint. The midpoint of 2 points. So the midpoint, we call it M, is equal to, and remember the midpoint is an actual point. So it's going to be something comma something, right? Inside parentheses like this. So it's going to be x1 plus x2. So we're getting the average of the x points. And then same thing with the y's. We're going to get y1 plus y2. All right, and take the average, so divide by 2. So that's all we got to do here. I do see square roots, but it's not that big a deal. You're going to sort of treat them like if they were sort of like a variable, like if it's a letter, kind of, right? So for the x value, we're going to say it's going to be 9 square root of 5. That's x1, right? x1 plus x2, which is negative plus negative square root of 5. Right, and then I'm going to divide by 2. Well, how many square roots of 5 do I have? I got 9 square roots of 5 here, and then I got a negative 1 here. So if I add that, that's 8 times the square root of 5. All right, and again, I'm dividing by 2. So here, the 8 and the 2 will simplify, so it becomes 4 square root of 5. That's the x value. All right, so I look at my answers. This is the only one that has that answer. So I'm basically, it's going to be that one. But I'll go and, so I'm going to, let's say there's a, I'm going to go ahead and just do the y. These would be a parentheses here. The y value would be 0 or negative square root of 13 plus 0. Obviously, that's not going to change anything. And then I got to divide by 2. So it's just going to be negative square root of 13 divided by 2. So that's my midpoint. So that's my midpoint for M. So that is my answer. Double check it. Okay. If you were to do this one graphically, if you were to draw them out, it would be a little bit more difficult just because it's the square roots of 5 don't help, and the square root of 13 doesn't help. But if it was whole numbers, it would be a lot easier to do it on a graph and kind of draw it out.